Hi, it's time for another episode of What's Inside This Rock. And today I've got this guy. Should be interesting. Got some reds on it and stuff. And I found it earlier today. I'll just cut it right down the middle. See along those layers. And then I've got this one, which has a really interesting purples and yellows. Get it wet and show you. So I'm also gonna cut it just right down the middle, or maybe right along the edge, save some of the rock, and see what it looks like. All right, let's get the beast started, see what we get. Okay, we finished this one. Let's see. Yeah, looks like some sort of chert, maybe. There's still a chip here, obviously. Maybe that would polish up nice. There's a little bit of depth to it, but overall pretty ugly. It did have some of those reds on the outside, so I was curious about those, but pretty much nothing. This guy is interesting. It has some agate running through the top, but then it's got this kind of just brown stone running through it, a little pocket hole, and then something else. It's probably some sort of jasper, or 3 different kinds of jasper, but pretty interesting. But that's all. Thanks for watching.